Okay, so for problem number 5, we're going to find x and y. So this is a SOHCAHTOA problem, so the first thing I need to do is identify the opposite, hypotenuse, and the adjacent. My 90-degree angle is here, so this across from the 90-degree angle is the hypotenuse. My angle 36 is this angle here, so opposite of that is x, and then the one left over is the adjacent. So if I were to label this, I would say that the opposite is equal to x, the adjacent is equal to y, and the hypotenuse is equal to 49. So to find x and y, I'm just going to have to use sine and cosine, I think, because I know what the opposite is, and I have to solve for the I know what the hypotenuse is, and I have to solve for opposite and adjacent. So in other words, sine of 36 degrees will equal the opposite over the hypotenuse, and cosine of 36 degrees will equal the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So let's plug those numbers in. I've got sine of 36 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is 49. I'm going to multiply both sides by 49. So then x is equal to 49 times sine of 36. We could do that easy enough. 49 times sine of 36 is 28.8. So that's x. This one right here, cosine of 36, is equal to the adjacent, which is y, all over the hypotenuse, which is 49. Again, we're going to multiply both sides by 49. And so I get y is equal to 49 times cosine of 36. And that gives me 39.6. So x is 28.8 and y is 39.6. That's it.